Hey, so lately my dad has been having some trouble with his old laptop. I think he got it in 2009 and it's honestly been doing way better than I thought it would. But 17 years is a long time and it only gonna last so long without a proper upgrade. By the way, it is so convenient when laptops have these sections for every part, because nowadays you pretty much have to disassemble the whole thing. Like, look at how simple it used to be. You just have to take these screws out and voila! There is your storage. Speaking of which, we are gonna be upgrading this 320GB hard drive with a 120GB Samsung SSD. And yes, we are technically downgrading the capacity here, but my dad doesn't really use more than 50 to 70 gigs of storage, so it would be a huge waste, especially in this day and age, to overpay for an SSD with higher capacity. Besides, I'm gonna be getting my dad a new laptop in the nearest future, so investing too much into this old one wouldn't be too smart. In terms of RAM though, it currently has like 4GB in total, which was pretty high-end in 2009. But nowadays it's way below the minimum amount that any PC should have. So we're gonna upgrade it to 8GB, which is still not much, but this is all I have and it's literally double than what it had before. Now, I also thought about upgrading the CPU, but P8800 is already an amazing CPU to have in this laptop, cause it not only uses like 25 watts, but it also has a default frequency of 2.7 GHz, which is pretty damn high by the way, way higher than what most other laptop CPUs had at the time. But do let me know in the comments below, did you have a laptop when you were younger? And if so, then how good was it? Cause I've never had a laptop myself. I always saw more value in having a desktop PC and a good phone, because when I was at home, I didn't really need to move my PC. I just sat there and played games. And studied. But whenever I went outside, I always took my phone with me. I've never felt the need to have a laptop even when the rest of my friends were gaming. Although we did spend most of our time just hanging out. But anyhow, this is pretty much all the upgrade I'm gonna do on this laptop for now. Wasn't planning on recording it, but I decided to do it anyway because why not? And here's the post by the way, meaning that the upgrade was successful. So I'm gonna go ahead and install Windows, clean the laptop, make it more presentable, and yeah, this is all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.